get you?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you something awesome. So, if you haven't already seen in the title, you probably know what it's gonna be, but you don't know what it looks like. Bam! My brother got that for close to Christmas. Like, we got it today, and you know how today is close to Christmas. So yeah, we're gonna go show him my present. Yeah. Here goes my brother Sean.
Hi.
My sister Sissy.
I have a name.
Colleen, whatever. And then my mom Sharisa.
Sharisa?
Yeah, Sharisa. And then I got the Google Home
Hey,
YouTube video.
it's Dominic the donkey. Ginger begins.
Go! Go! Take this box. It's dark in here. But look how you can see it. Yeah, it looks so cool, doesn't it?
Oh, shoot, my brother recording.
Yeah. He actually hit me. Oh, look at his ugly Jordans. It needs to go on the ugly rack.
Boy, those aren't ugly. They better than your shoes.
Hey, let's put them on the ugly rack.
Oh my gosh. That's not even an ugly rack. I'll tell Scott. Quit. I'm serious.
Hey, look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Stop.
Look at
I'll
this
spray
dude.
you in the eye. I'm shooting the head.
Bye, guys.